What's going on with NIO, everybody? Because the price went down. First, we got the earnings, bad earnings, of course, back in 5th of March. And now we reverse from the bottom, $3.60. We did almost how much? Let me just show you guys. We have the same trend for NIO, 60% for NIO. For Tesla, the same. We have the opposite reaction, bad earnings, but we have a good sales for the new model for Tesla, and we jumped 40%. But in the big picture for both NIO and Tesla, guys, we still in a bullish run. So if you bought, and if you don't see our video that we did before, we warned you guys about the resistance, don't worry here. The price is just pulling back because we've got a big buying pressure, 60%. So we already pulled back right now, 15%. So this is just a correction. So in today's video, we have to discuss NIO, we have to discuss Tesla, and we have to discuss Raven and Mullen, the all EV stocks that have huge volatility. And most volatile one is, of course, we have Tesla 77 million and NIO almost 60 million. Okay, for those two guys we have to focus on, and the other one is pretty volatile because they jump big time. Let me just show you. Raven did 44%. For Mullen is the most volatile one because it did 200% in just less than 1 month. So let's dive deeper, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, because we always go live every day 30 minutes before the market open, and before that we're gonna do it here on our Discord, of course. Early hunt, we're gonna do 2 live streaming, one for our discipline hunter and the pitch with the king level, and you can have access to our, of course, 2 hours or 1 hour and a half before the market open. And for our elite hunters, this will be much earlier, almost 4 hours before the market open, because the market is hot on Friday. Many stocks that jumped before, like CRKN, ASTS, where we did chart analysis update for our hunter, and we closed our profit taking for those. So we, and Monday we expect a huge volatility. That's why we have to do early live streaming for our elite hunter. You can upgrade your level if you want from the display and Patreon. It's really simple on Patreon, guys. The link in the comment section below, of course. And of course, if you want to trade those stocks NIO on Tesla, you can actually win extra 7 free fractional shares once you join with my link in comment section below, guys, with Momo. So let's dive deeper and discuss, of course, NIO and Tesla. So for NIO, guys, looking pretty nice because we have double top, we have big resistance around the $6. The price pulled back because as we said, the price have to load up. What I mean we did 60%. Is like a rocket, guys, going up and up. If we don't have 5 rockets to escape the gravity of the earth, of course the rocket will pull back down to go back to fuel up. For NIO, we don't have 2 rockets, we have just 1 rocket. That's why we didn't go to the orbit yet, and we still need another rocket and another fuel to get us on the orbit. And of course the orbit should be over the $7. So just consider this like if we want to escape the gravity of earth, and between the 7 and the $6.30, or to escape the gravitation pull from the short sellers. This is for NIO, guys. For Tesla, the same. We have a big seller around the 205, 198. It didn't change yet from the last update. The good thing is we have a big buyer over the 159 that we should hold by the next week to confirm that the buyer that just entered around the 140 is still there. We don't want to break this level in order to have a breakout next time around the 205 and the 198. For NIO, guys, we have a big target, of course, just below the $9. Why? Because if we go on a big picture, please go on the daily chart, guys. Look at this beautiful chart. We have this huge bearish flag from the NIO day, guys. Last like a huge jump that we have on NIO day, $72. Everybody thought that the price would go around the 100 and 500 back then in 2021, in beginning of 2021, but the price went down from there and never recovered, and is still going down. So now we have to confirm that we have a new bottom over the $4.80. Why? Because we don't want to continue to go down, because we're still in this bearish channel, guys. We didn't escape from this bearish channel. Once we break the over the $9 or almost the $9.44, yes, we're gonna have a trend reversal. What does mean is we're gonna enter in bullish run. We escape from this bearish channel and then enter a bullish channel once we see the 9.44 or over the $10. Right now we still in bearish channel in the big picture. In smaller picture, yes, we are a bit bullish since the 22nd of April, almost 1 month, we entered a bit of bullish run for NIO. And the other thing is we have to wait for, after at least 10 days from now, is the earnings for NIO. So this time we might have a good earnings and break the 7. This will be a good push and good catalyst for NIO to break this resistance. For Raven and Mullen, guys, both of them looking really interesting, especially for Raven because have bad earnings. The same, we pulled back, but we reversed and we have a new high around the 12.11. So for Raven, if we want to have a big jump, guys, and a squeeze, we need to break the 12.11 and hold the current support over the 9.48 in order to go toward the 13 and the 14.70. For Mullen, this is really critical for Mullen. We tried to squeeze around the $7.85, but the short came again. We have earnings, but I think the earnings kind of postponed because last time we don't count on the earnings for Mullen. Mullen is kind of meme stock at the same time. Have like always react differently on the earnings because we're still in negative, so we don't have to depend on the earnings so much, but we have to depend on the technical. And the technical, guys, we have a big seller 3 times came around the $8. So now we didn't break, is mean we're gonna have the test again for the $4.11. If we held, would be a perfect reversal because this is where the big buyer is still holding Mullen. So as long we hold here, Mullen, there's a chance for a squeeze up toward the 9.80 and the $11. You see, for Mullen have a struggle to go over the $10. We have NIO to have a struggle or psychological level around the $10. We have Raven is still testing the $10. So guys, the $10 is kind of psychological level for many stocks to hold over. This is it for 3 stocks that we discussed right now. All of them need to break or hold the $10. Raven right now have a struggle to hold the $10. It's like between the 12 and the 9, 12, 9, didn't hold over the $10. So we need to hold over the $10 next time in order to confirm this major reversal and at least entering a bullish run for Raven. Of course, guys, we're going to discuss all those stocks by Monday hunt. So join us, hit the like and subscribe, and see you by Monday. Thank you for watching.